The Hart family is about to go trekking. Got the wife, got my oldest daughter, my oldest son. Of course, we had to leave the two little ones. This is groundbreaking right now. Embracing Rwanda at the highest level. This is amazing. One of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. Oh my God, Kevin Hart here, man. So excited right now. Not only did I just have the experience of a lifetime, I get to have another experience that doubles down on the lifetime experience that I just had. I just got to see an amazing family of gorillas. And now, because of the amazing family of gorillas that I got to see, I get to take the liberty of actually naming a gorilla because of the ceremony that is taking place. From my understanding, 19, you guys got 19 years under your belts. Of the Kwita Izina. I hope I said it right. If I didn't, understanding my pronunciation could be off, but I think it's spot on. Because that's how good I am, because that's how pumped up I am. So the fact that I'm a part of the 19th celebration of the Kwita Izina, right, naming ceremony, the fact that I get to name a gorilla from the Mohoza family is a big deal. So I'm not just gonna just name like a name that anybody else can name. Oh, I'm gonna pull out a name. Because right now I get to be responsible for a gorilla. This isn't gonna be any gorilla. This is a gorilla that I wanna know how this gorilla is doing. Okay, I need updates. I need consistent updates. I need pictures. I need a birth certificate. I don't know if these gorillas got birth certificates, but you're gonna make one for me. What else do I need? An email. My gorilla's gonna have to have an email address because I wanna go back and forth. I wanna talk to my gorilla, okay? So I'm gonna need an email address, I'm gonna need a birth certificate, a cell phone. I'm buying my gorilla a cell phone. Yeah, so we can text, because they're that smart, right? I want text messages back and forth. Here's my name, drum roll please. Everybody's waiting, I know you're waiting. Foot. I'm joking, that's not the name. The name that I'm choosing is Gakondo. Gakondo! Yes! Gakondo! Did you hear that? I'm naming the baby Gakondo. I thought of it. It basically, because what I did was I looked at my biceps and I was like, God, right? When I saw that. And then when I was walking, I was like, Kong. And then something happened, I was like, no, Gakondo. There it is. That's the name, baby. It's going down. 19 years of amazing work. I can't wait to see what you do at 20. By the way, you're stuck with me, man. Amazing work you're doing here. To see the gorillas in their natural habitat, to see them be the majestic animals that they are, calm, fluid, and just simply amazing. It's life-changing, and I can't wait for other people to get the same experience that I had. From my mouth to other ears, I hope that you get the same thing that I do, which is just a life-changing moment.